Hey, it's Michael with Varus Engineering, and today we're going to mount these 3D printed end plates onto our C8 Corvette. First thing we're going to need to do is to get at least the front of the car up in the air. You can mount these with the splitter on the car or take the splitter off, kind of personal preference. Or if you're mounting the splitter right now, go ahead and do it while it's off the car. Let's get to the tools we need to do it. Here we have all the bare necessities to get these end plates on our front splitter. You're going to have 2 front end plates. You're going to have 6 M4 20 mil long screws, M4 washers, and 6 M4 nylock nuts. Tool wise, we're going to need a drill and a 3/16 drill bit, because the holes are there in the splitter but they're not drilled out, so we're going to have to do that ourselves. A ratchet and a 2.5 millimeter Allen. I do recommend only using hand tools when tightening these down. You can damage the end plate if you over tighten. Now we're going to get these nuts installed onto our end plates, and then we'll be ready to go on the car. Here we've got our end plates. I've already got the nuts installed into this one, if you can see. You just push them down in there. You want the nylock locking plastic, it'll either be white or blue, facing up, and you just push them in. So, and grab one, line it up with the hex in there, and it snaps into place. If you got one fighting you, you can take some pliers and crimp it in there, but should be able to go in by hand like that and like that. So do that for both of them. Get them all pushed in there. Remember, nylon side points up. And now these are ready to go over to the car, and we'll draw out some holes. This is what we're looking at. We've got the driver's side here, and there's 1, 2, and 3. I've already drilled these out. There is a pilot hole already started, so you'll be able to see where you need to drill. Like I said, that 3/16. I would recommend taking the splitter off for this, especially if you have the carbon air dam. You get very close on this rearmost hole. It can be done, but I'm just saying we don't condone it. So take the splitter off, drill your holes, or do it before you mount the splitter. And now we'll get this end plate on there. Grab our end plate once we got the holes drilled. Your M4 with a washer, and I'm just going to hand start all these first. And there's 3. So what I recommend doing is starting with this rearmost one closest to the air dam, and then working our way out. It's the easiest way to line everything up. So you're going to kind of put pressure on it, push it in there, tighten this rear one down, make sure nothing's crazy out of line, and they don't need to be super tight. You'll feel them start to draw the end plate down, and then once it starts to tighten up, go ahead and stop. If you do it anymore, and it's going to damage this, or the nut is going to start spinning. Just like that, we have the end plate on there. We're going to repeat that process for the other side. It's a pretty straightforward install. Drill a couple holes, tighten a couple screws, and mount your end plates. So if you have any further questions, comments, concerns, advice on improvements, just contact us, support@varus-engineering.com, and appreciate it.